will be fine. So let's start our topic on mutation. If you like this video, PLZZ, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon. So let's start with definition. Mutation is a genetic process that results in an organism's genetic material being altered. Mutation is a form of change in the genetic material and DNA sequence of an organism. This is the process by which natural selection occurs. In this article, we will discuss how mutation is the process by which natural selection occurs, the types of mutation, the kinds of organisms that can develop mutations, and how mutation is related to evolution. Course outline includes 4 sections. Section 1, how is mutation related to evolution? Section 2, how does mutation occur? Section 3, the types of mutation. Section 4, the kinds of organisms that can develop mutations. Section 5, conclusion. How mutation is related to evolution. BZ mutation is a key factor in evolution. Mutations are random changes in the genetic material of an organism, which can lead to new traits or characteristics. These changes can be beneficial, neutral, or harmful to the organism, and can be passed on to future generations. Over time, beneficial mutations can accumulate in a population, leading to the emergence of new species and the adaptation of existing species to new environments. Why mutation occur? Mutation occurs when a mistake is made during the process of DNA replication. This mistake can be caused by a variety of factors, including environmental factors such as radiation or chemicals, or errors in the replication process itself. The mistake can cause a change in the genetic code, resulting in a mutation. Types of mutation. 1. Point mutation. Point mutation is a type of mutation that involves a single nucleotide base change. This type of mutation can be either a substitution, where one nucleotide is replaced by another, or a deletion or insertion of a single nucleotide. Point mutations can have a significant effect on the structure and function of a gene, leading to a change in the amino acid sequence of the protein it encodes. 2. Frameshift mutation. Frameshift mutation is a type of mutation that occurs when a single nucleotide is inserted or deleted from a gene sequence. This type of mutation. Other type of mutation. 1. Insertion. Insertion is the addition of one or more nucleotides into a DNA sequence. 2. Deletion. Deletion is the removal of one or more nucleotides from a DNA sequence. 3. Inversion. Inversion is the reversal of the order of nucleotides in a DNA sequence. 4. Translocation. Translocation is the movement of a segment of DNA from one location to another. 5. Frameshift. Frameshift is a type of mutation that occurs when a single nucleotide is inserted or deleted. In which organism mutation occurs, there are any organism that reproduces sexually or asexually. This includes animals, plants, fungi, bacteria, and protists. Mutations can occur in any organism that has a genome, which is the genetic material that contains the instructions for the organism's development and functioning. Mutations can be beneficial, neutral, or harmful, depending on the organism and the environment in which it lives. Conclusion of mutation is a powerful tool for understanding the genetic basis of disease and for developing treatments. It has been used to identify genes associated with diseases, to develop new treatments, and to understand the mechanisms of genetic inheritance. It has also been used to create new organisms with desirable traits, such as disease resistance or increased yield. As technology advances, the potential applications of mutation will continue to expand.